Parrots don't just mimic speech, they can copy everyday sounds too. Many parrots have learned to perfectly imitate the sound of a zipper. The smooth zip noise of a jacket or bag moving up and down is super easy for them to pick up. Some parrots even fake zipping noises just to mess with their owners. But it doesn't stop there. Parrots can mimic microwave beeps, door creaks, camera clicks, and even sneezes. If they hear a sound enough times, they'll add it to their collection. If you want to teach your bird new sounds, repeat them often and make sure to reward them when they mimic correctly. How long did it take for your parrot to learn these weird sounds? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun parrot facts.